Hi, I'm Nell. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thanks so much for checking me out. Yeah, but we did that already. Or maybe not. I'm not sure. We're just getting into it because I'm tired. Okay, do it.
This is updated Chanel jewelry things. Scene 1, take 2, because you didn't record the first take, and I don't know what a roll is, and this is the third video we're making, so roll 3.
Roll 3 it is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That was my daughter slash director doing her thing with her little I don't know what that thing is called, but that thing. She did it. So welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing an updated Chanel jewelry collection. This has been my jam lately. I'm like, I can't afford a handbag, I can barely afford the wallets, but I can get me some little costume jewelry. So I added to the collection, and that's what we're going to talk about today. If you're new, thank you so much for checking me out. If you've been here before, you're the real MVP, and thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. Subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, all that good stuff. We're here to talk Chanel jewelry, Chanel costume jewelry, because woo child, I want to be in the market for Chanel fine jewelry, but yeah, I'm not there yet. Anyway, I digress. Isn't she lovely? Yeah, I can't sing. This is actually my newest piece. I have the unboxing and I'll link it somewhere. And it is like a little pearl piece, and it comes with this little piece here. And of course I got it in my box, and it was just absolutely, of course, I got it in my box, absolutely stunning piece. And I thought, oh my gosh, I guess I just wanted to share with you guys everything else that I have. Now, I don't have a huge Chanel jewelry collection, but I'm having a lot of fun adding the pieces, so that's why I wanted to share. Yeah. So, okay, so this is necklace number 1, and it's pearls. This is necklace number 2. You'll see a bit of a theme here because I do love white, especially white and gold together. And this was my bling necklace. I have, or as my daughter likes to call it, my rapper necklace. It's very, very like, it gets a lot of attention. I've actually only worn it out of my house like twice because it just turned out to be a bit more blingy than I thought it was going to be. So I don't know how long I'll have that one. Were you guys able to see this?
Snoop Doggy Dog.
I know, it's very Snoopy. Like, I feel like this is much more my jam, much more classy, ladylike. While this is like, bam. I mean, I love it. This looks amazing with an all white outfit, but I don't always wear all white. So, I don't know how long I'll have that piece, but anyway, we digress. So next I'm going to do my brooches. I only have those 2 necklaces. I clearly love a choker short kind of necklace. And let me see. Actually, I can't find the box for this one, so I'm just gonna show it like this. One of the most stunning pieces in my collection. Like, it's so, I know, right? I'm complaining that the other necklace looks a little too like blingy and in your face, and then I follow it with this and I'm like, oh yeah, but this isn't. I know, it makes no sense, but I still wear this piece. I'll put it on my ladies who lunch dresses. I'll put it on denim jackets. I'll put it on whatever I can find. I think it is the most classic piece of jewelry from Chanel, and I absolutely love it. And I love it so much that I had to pick a second one that is wowza. This one. This one. You know what? I should do this. So the 2 pieces together. This one is gold tone and very 3-dimensional, hard to show. But you can see if I look at it that way, it's got a little raised platform. And then that one. Next is the very first pair of Chanel earrings I ever bought, and These, the number is 04A. I think these come by like the year. I know I bought them like right super early when I first moved to Arizona, so probably bought them like 2005-ish. And they look like this. And they are little pearl dangly earrings. They've held out really, really well, and they're just stunning little pieces. And I love pearl jewelry, so I still wear them and get a lot of use out of them. I adore them.
And get a lot of hair in them.
I also get a lot of hair stuck in them. Sucks. Alright, let's see. Nope. Next is a piece I thought I was going to get rid of or give to my sister, but I think I'm going to decide to keep them. Yeah. So, because of this necklace that I just got, that I'm 100% in love with, I realized that these actually kind of go with the necklace. Isn't that stunning? I like the combination. So, sorry sis. I really was going to give them to you, but no, not anymore. Gotta keep them. They're stunning. I love them. Alright. So, clearly we've moved on to the earrings. And, ooh, okay. The next, I have a pair of earrings. I'll put a picture of them in here. These were the only ones I had for the longest time. The CCs, the classic CCs. Stunners. I had to call around to like different stores to find them. And once I found them, I fell in love with them. And then one day I put them in my jeans, and then I threw my jeans in the dryer, where on one earring, not both of them, but only on one earring, the stones fell out. So here's a picture here, and they had to be sent to be fixed, so I'm just waiting to get them back. But in the interim, I do have these beauties here. These are slightly larger than the typical CCs. These are a little smaller than a quarter in size. So love these. It's ruthenium. I don't know how you say that word. Love those. I did also add this other little amazing pair. Since the other ones were going to be in repair in wherever they get sent for repair. They said it was going to be like 6 to 8 weeks. So I wasn't getting them back anytime soon. And since I wear those other CCs almost every day, I was very happy when my sales associate found me a different pair. So here's a little size comparison of the two. You can see that this one is much bigger. These are, you know, more like everyday, get up in the morning, put that on, and these are a little bit more showy nighttime. Speaking of showy and nighttime, be the last piece I'm gonna share with you guys, because these are fire. These have their own separate unboxing video, and I'm actually gonna put one on because I feel like you gotta see them in action to appreciate them. These were like fire and ice or something. Don't they look very like Game of Thrones or something? I think they're so spectacular. And what I love about them is that the CC actually like dangles and has movement. Like that. Yeah. So it's that little like movement that gives it that extra like pizzazz, like boom. And then if you're talking, I'm sure it's like catching people's attention. Not that I talk like this. But you get what I'm saying. Look at that. Yeah, those, wow. Once I saw those, I was like, that's it. That one, ma'am. So, absolutely love it. Stunning. Pretty. Yeah, that's it. That is the end of my updated Chanel jewelry collection. Hope you guys can join me on this journey. I mean, I have all the numbers and everything. If you want to find out what numbers are, what the model numbers are, if you're looking for anything, I have a great sales associate. She's at Saks here in Phoenix, and you know, if you're interested in buying pieces, she's always on the lookout, always knows how to find pieces. Like this one, her store only got one of these in, and then excuse me, immediately sold out. Like she was holding it for me, kind of trying to hold it for me. I was like, I'm on my way, and then someone sold it right from under her, or something weird. I don't know, who knows. But I think it took just like 3 weeks before she was like, hey, I found another one, and you know, made it right. So yeah. Yeah, anyway, so that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. It's been a long day. Stay blessed, stay happy, and yeah, just go out and live your life, have fun. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell, do all that good stuff. Thanks so much for checking me out. Bye.